Here's how to recover deleted messages on Instagram. First, open Instagram and then click on your profile logo at the bottom right. And then at the top right, click the settings and activity menu. And then scroll down and go to your activity. And then scroll all the way down and click on download your information. And now click on download or transfer information. And then click on all available information. Now click on download to device. You can also transfer if you want, but we're just going to download in this video. So you can also select the range of the data you want. For example, if you want to recover a message that were deleted last week or last month, you can select this within the last week or within the last month. If you don't know, you can select all time. But in this case, I'm going to select last month, click save, and now send me, pick an email to receive notification. So they send you a notification to that email when it's done and ready to download. Now pick the format of the data. I'm going to leave it as HTML. And now the quality, I'm going to make it medium because high takes longer to download. And then we can simply click create files. Now your request is in progress. It's being reviewed by the Meta support. And when it's ready, they will notify you through email to be able to download your data and along with the messages you've lost or deleted. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.